Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by my channel, my name is Atinike. So I'm showing you guys what we are going to be using for this headband wig tutorial. Multi color one Exprssion multi, showing you the size of crochet hook, and I've already lined out my headband already. I have a tutorial on my channel how you can achieve your own headband yourself. That is why I didn't include that part in this video. Now you can see what I'm doing. You can only section one multi into three section. If we section it into more than three section, it will be tangle because we didn't cut this hair at all. So now let's start crocheting, guys. So this hair is very dry, so I knot it only once. That really make my work very easy. You can achieve this hairstyle under 1 hour. I mean this headband, apart from the sewing, only crocheting under 1 hour. And you have to watch every step in this tutorial because there are some steps I didn't crochet close to each other. There's some step I crochet to each other. So like the back where I started, I crocheted very close to each other, but at the middle, as you can see, I'm crocheting now. I didn't crochet very close to each other because I don't want the wig to come out shapeless and heavy. Towards the end of this tutorial, you're going to see what I'm trying to explain. I'm trying to talk about, so that you have to be careful when crocheting because you don't want this wig to be over full. So you can see when I'm at the top, still I still crochet very, as in I didn't crochet very close to each other. I mean I space out my hand. So keep on watching. You can see at the last line I didn't follow that line. That is what I'm trying to explain to you guys. If you follow that last line before I crochet again, it will be very shapeless at the front. It won't fall to the back. It will fall to your forehead, as into your face. You won't be able to rock it without the headband, as in you won't be able to rock it without using headband, I mean. So you can see what I'm doing now, just crocheting the last track, which is very close to the cap, very close to the headband. I'm trying to explain to you guys better. Sorry guys, I'm not a good teacher when it comes to explaining, so I'll keep quiet so that you can enjoy this tutorial. So we are done. The only thing you have to do is to use your hand to stretch out the hair. That was the main reason why I said do not separate more than 3. Do not separate one multi more than 3, or else it will be tangled. I tried doing that for the first stage, so I have to throw those one away. Then I separate it into 3. Then just the only thing you need for this hair is just oil sheen, just add some shine. So I'm just trimming off the excess, just trimming it off. The one that is longer than some, just trimming that out. So this hair is going to last you for a very long period if you separate one multi into 3. The only treatment you need is oil sheen, as I said, just to add shine so that it won't look dull on your head, so that it will look so nice and beautiful. So now you're going to see the oil sheen I'm talking about. This is the only thing you need for this hair. Is a throw on and go wig, and it's going to last you for a very long time. So guys, this is the final look of the hair. This hair came out so beautiful. I was really feeling myself, as in I was really rocking this hair. Oh my god, this came out so beautiful, and I love the length. And guys, this hair is very lightweight. It's not heavy at all. Do not use more than 2 pack. I use only 2 pack to achieve this hairstyle. If you don't want it to be shapeless, follow my step. Thank you so much for watching. See my next video, then you're going to see how I rock it with a scarf. See my next video. Stay blessed. Keep on watching, guys. Do not forget to subscribe to this amazing channel, guys. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much for all your love, all your support. See my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.